From the largest of industrial factories to the coziest of smart homes, programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, are the brains of our automated world. They process all incoming information and control every facet of the systems into which they are integrated. Understanding how they work opens the door to endless innovation and countless opportunities. Welcome to Intelitek's PLC Technology course series. Throughout this series, you'll learn to program, troubleshoot, and unleash the potential of these controllers. Explore how PLCs accept input signals from sensors and buttons, and control the states of output devices like motors and lamps, with Intelitek's JobMaster training system. Discover the secrets of ladder logic, the graphical and easy-to-use programming language for PLCs. Investigate the way controllers efficiently communicate with other high-level devices, such as computers and interface screens, using a technology called Industrial Ethernet. Examine how PLCs regulate industrial systems, and how the acute control of these systems contributes to a manufacturing enterprise's success or failure. Enter the dynamic world of automation, and command the machines of the future in Intelitek's PLC Technology course series. Enjoy the experience.